Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment Programming Language. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I need to open Visual Basic. I'm using Visual Basic 2010 Express Studio. Okay, now first of all, I will take the new project. While taking a new project, there will be default Windows Form application, WPA, console application. So I will work with Windows Form application. After opening, you will find that all the Windows Form you will find, common controls you will find, data source you will find, solution explorer you will find, form.vb you will find. These are the properties. When you will take, then only you will understand. Now first of all, I will say you a few things on Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a popular programming language among the beginners. It was developed by Microsoft in May 1991. It is based on the basic language and provide a varieties of tools to create a user-friendly application with graphical user interface. That is why it is called Visual Basic. That is, we call as VB creates event-driven application. Now let's start. First of all, I will show you how to print or how to display a program with the help of this coding. First of all, I need to take one level. So I will put it here and I will not write anything. Keep as it is. Now after that, I will take a button. I'll put it here and after that I'll go to the properties window. You will find that you have to write display. Actually, I want to display one message. Okay, now come to this one and click here. Now it will show you a display. Now what I need to do, I will double click on that display. After that, one form1.vb will open. That is a extension where you need to write one code. So what you need to write, that I have taken level 1 L1 dot text. Actually it will show you a text equals to welcome to Visual Basic 2010. This is Avik Sir. Okay. Now this message will show you when you click on that display. Okay. Now we will how to execute. There it is given start debugging, or you can press F5 from your keyboard. So I will start with clicking this one play button, like debugging button. After clicking, one form is created. Now what will message will show? Welcome to Visual Basic 2010. This is Avik sir. Now if I display, now it will show you this is Avik sir. Now did you understood how to display a program with the help of this button? Okay. Now after doing this, now we will go with another. Next we will go with another how to calculate a program. So we will go with another program, that is how to calculate sum, how to calculate multiply. All these I will show you right now. Again you go with this one. Now click on this one. After that over. So after that you can close it. I will show you how to save, but right now I am not showing you. The last I will show you how to save. Do you want to stop debugging? Yes. This car. Okay. Again I will open VB. Now I will execute how to add. Again I will take same process, new project, Windows Form application, click on OK. After that what you will get, something that form will be there. After that what you need to do, you will take level 1, level 2, level 3 you can take. So first of all, where I'll get level 1. So first drag and drop, you can make name also. Enter first number, you can change the name and write. You can enter first NUMPER. After that, take another level where you can write enter second NUMPER. Okay. Make it proper that it should be same proper proportion. Okay. After that, again you take another one that will be given as sum of the given numbers, or whatever you can write. Total also you can write, whatever you can write. I'm just writing total, T-O-T-A-L. Okay, after that click on here, after that put it here. Now these things are happening. Now if you want to make this bold or something, changing colors, that also you can do with the help of first of all you need to create enter first number. After that go to, you will find that you can change the font. Now if you click on the font, now three dots are there. After that clicking on that one, it will come. Wait a minute, it will come. After that you will find bold, you can make it 11 font size. After the bold, like these also, here also same, you can do it with this process. Click on here, bold and 11. Okay. Now here also same, you can do in a total also. Click on triple dot, after that bold 11. So here. Okay. Now these things you have understood. Now what you need to do, put a text box. Now how to get a text box? Drop down arrow, you just scroll down. After that drag and drop, you can put one text box. Text box, no need to write anything, just make it empty. Again another text box will be there. Okay, now put, make a line. Another text box you need to create for your total also. Okay, now three things you have done. Now there will be one common button where you need to calculate by pressing. So what you need to do, button you have to click. After that you paste it here, and after that what you need to write, calculate. In that button you need to write calculate. Okay, calculate. Okay, this is a simple method to calculate. You can put another text area also or text box, whatever. Right now I'm just showing you. Now calculate and make it big. Okay, after that if you want to make it bold, you can make it whatever you want, you can do, like clicking on here the font. After that bold, make it 12. Okay. Okay, done. Now after doing all this, now you have to click on, double click on the calculator. Now they will show you a coding page, that is design page. Now what you need to write on that coding page? In that coding page you have to write text, text box, box 3, where I need to put the answer. After dot text, text equals to value, I need to give bracket open, text box1 dot text. After that bracket close. After that you can put symbol plus. After that val. After that text box2 dot text, bracket close. After doing this, you just see to it your program. After that you need to execute. You found that there is text box 1 and text box 2 is there, and in that text box 3 total I will calculate. Now you can see after debugging, Your form has been created. Here you can see, just pressing 1000 plus 1000, how much you will get? 2000. You will get 2000. If you want more numbers, you can add 2000, 20,000. You can add 10,000. So how much it will be? 30,000. This is how you can calculate. Now again, if you want to change, you can change and do multiplication, whatever you want. Place multiple sign, that is star. After that, again you execute. Again you will find that 200 multiplied by 50 will give you 10,000. This also you can do. Only thing, you have to change your sign, and this sign will be double. Okay. If you want more zero, create more zero, after that one zero added, multiply. Okay. This is how you can make your calculator. Okay. After that, again I am closing. Okay, I will show you how to save afterwards. Again I will put VB. Again I will open the VB. Now after opening the VB, I will show you how to insert an image on that form. That also is very necessary, you should be knowing. So first of all, you have to take the new project. Again, that Windows form application where I need to design, pressing an OK. You will find that one picture area is there, picture box. Now what I need to do, just make it big, enlarge it. After the picture box, you will find, just make it big. Okay. And now after doing these pictures a box, you have to do what? You need to paste one pictures on that form. Think like you are paste one, you have to paste one picture. Now here one play button is there. You just click on that play button. After that, choose the image. Now you will not find any image, so you have to take that project resource file. After that, import. When you are taking an import, you have your plenty of images. Put on that image inside. You will find that it is there. Now make it OK. Now your image will come, but it will not fit it because your image is very large. So what you need to do, go to the size mode. You have to have a stretch image. If you do stretch image, the image will be fitted as it is. Okay. Now if you want, you can see all the things. The center, it will not give you anything. Zoom will not give you anything. So it is better, auto size also it will not give anything. It is better to use always stretch image. Okay, after doing this, you execute, your form will show you an image. Now let's see, after debugging, wow, your form has shown that image. Now you understood how to put image in VB, that is Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express. This is how you need to get. Now overall it is up to this much. Another also I will show you. Now no need to do, I no need to debug. Now this card I will show you again. Now I will talk about another program in VB. You can see here how to calculate an area of a triangle. Same process but in a different mode, where I will not take one text box, where to give a total. So what I need to do, just make it big, and after that, first of all, you need to take a level like this process how you have done calculate. Level 1, you need to write the name height, 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 and click on here. And in the another level, you need to take, okay, where I need to write width, width. Okay, here you need to write the width. Sorry, the spelling I just writing width. Okay, width. After that, what you need to do? Same process. Text area is there. Yes, text box is there. Now you have to drag and drop. Again, another you have to do drag and drop. Now after seeing this, both are there. You can make it large also, or whatever you want, you can do it. After taking this, you have to write, you have to take one button. After clicking on button, you just put it here, calculate. How to write calculate area? Okay, calculate, calculate area. Okay, you will find here calculate area. Just make it big so that it will give you a proper shape. And after that, again what you need to take, level 3 you have to take. I told you I will show you like this directly. It will show you here level 3 and level 4 where you need to show the answer. Now make it proper proportion. Now here it will show you calculate the area of the triangle is, after that answer. But I did not do this one, the text area or the text box. Okay. Now after doing this, directly you click on the calculate area. After that, your again design view VB code will come where you can write the code. Now what you need to do, level 3.text, where I need to write that text is equal to within a column area of triangle. Okay, after that dot, after the semicolon, after the inverted comma close. So you people are knowing that area of the triangle is half into height into base actually. So you can go ahead with this one. LABE level 4 dot text text is equal to, what you need to write, 1 by 2, that is half. After the bracket close, multiply, you need to give the value. For this purpose I need to write the value, I need to enter the value after the text box1 dot text multiply symbol you have to give, sorry to say you have to close the bracket. After that multiply, after that again val, after the bracket open, text box 2 dot text bracket close. After doing this, just to remind you one thing, just make it this one as base. Okay, just change the name, no problem, you can change the name. After that you go to this one. Okay, now you have written all this. Now what you need to do, same process, F5 or debugging you can do. After doing that debugging, you will find that your form has been created. Now you have to enter the height. The height is 50 and the base is 100. So how much it will give, that where what answer will give in the level 3, that is area of the triangle, and the calculation will give it in level 4. You can see here level 4. So what will be the answer? It will be 250. Wow, area of the triangle is 250. Like this, if you want, you can place another 0 and calculate, it will give you 25,000. If you want 200, how much it will give you? You see it with 5 to the 10, that is your 50,000. Like this, after that you need to divide, okay, with half. After that you will get 50. This is how you can execute program in VB 2010. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you have understood. You can subscribe my channel. My channel name is Study to Foodie. Okay, thank you. Okay, just to remind you how to save one time, you can see one time. Just click on here. After that, save the form 1 VB. You can do like this also, that I forget to say. You can save like this. It will be saved with the Windows application 1. Okay, you can see here. It will be saved with VB1 dot form 1 dot VB. This is the way you can save. Okay, nothing is there. Stop debugging if you want you can save also. This is application 2, but you can change the name and you can put something like triangle underscore 1. After that, where you need to save that area also you need to see, and it is says with triangle 1 underscore 1. After that, save. Now your program will be saved on that file. Okay, for time being, thank you. And just remind you, you can subscribe my channel, study to